Beautiful sunset here in Arizona. It's an advantage of being here in this part of the country is you get some of those beautiful sunsets you just can't imagine. Just as the sun goes down, you get cloud coverage and that sun will shoot off the clouds, and it's just stunning. It's nothing short of stunning almost every day because it seldom rains here. We've been here 4 months and it's rained twice, a total of an hour and 15 minutes. So if you like beautiful sunsets, ain't much of a beach, but there's definitely some sand around here. It's a great place to have a side-by-side. And this particular park is very big on golf carts. Lots of golf carts going up and down their 9-hole golf course. They're having a putting competition here.
There you go.
A group full of people. It's right off the main fairways.
Okay, good job.
And it's right on this back veranda here. I actually have a full service restaurant on property. This has got a card room here. People playing in there. The registration office here. So the festivities going on today. Super Bowl party. Nice. Activities office. A lapidary, one of those rock things. I saw those, a couple of the others. Also ceramics and a library. Ooh, billiards. Maybe I'll stick my head in there. Oh, nice billiards hall. They got 8 tables. And of course, recorded music. Hopefully I can talk over it enough where it won't cause to unmonetize me. Okay, that song just went off. Let's take a look at this table. Got some age on it, but it looks good. Good shape. Ooh, that's real felt too. That's not some cheap material. That's actual felt. It's fuzzy. Nice. I like it. Here's their outdoor mailroom. And you got some bulletin boards with some different stuff. And here's one nice, really good looking area. It shows you where how the park is set up. Looks like it's a 9-hole course. The main ballroom is that way. That's where it's going on. They got live music going on in there now. Let's go look at some of these courts. Oh, I got some music playing in here, but they also have a decent exercise room. So cool. I like it. Got the band is sitting up there. Good sized stage. Good gosh, that thing's like 4 feet tall. And that's the restaurant there to the right. And we're just outside of there. It is a full service restaurant, employees and everything, you know. Nice ballroom though. So here's the other end of the veranda. Nice setup. Here's the pool. Very full of people. They got a hot tub on the other side. And over here, this side here, you've got your shuffleboard courts. Looks like they're in really good condition. And they got a pickleball court over there. And there's one here. Look at these walls. Normally you see fences like this in here around the pickleball courts, which there is one on the other side there. I guess at one time this was something else. They made pickleball courts. There's also a pickleball court on that side, on the other side of the fence. So they got at least 5 here. Cool. And here's another one of these water stations. You find this a lot in Yuma. People will drink out of the large bottles, but they're normally pretty cheap. Like this is a 1 gallon for 25 cents. That's the place you could find 5 gallons for 50 cents. So this one's 5 gallons for $1. But again, around here you see more park models. I do see some RVs off in the distance. They're between them. We go around there and look at that. Just look at them a little bit before we get out of here. Definitely around here there's some lots of park models. You can see some RVs right in there too. So there's definitely a few RVs. I'd say it's around 10% from what I've seen so far. And this is the back of the primary activities building we just went through. So here are some of the more empty spots, as you can tell. There's a few. Every park's got a few someplace. Nice pad there, so you would pull there to the right of this pad here, and your hookups are all right there together toward the rear, which is great for if you got an A class, because they're all back there in the back corner. And most C classes are too, but you get your a fifth wheel or something that could be up halfway down the side. And they also have storage and some other extra for sale. Big Momentum there is for sale. Another beauty, looks like they take a card. You can take your own card here, or you get their card. like you use a regular card, because I don't see a card machine here that will actually give you a card. So you just scan your $3 maybe, $2.85. So if you're here in Arizona, you're looking for a park, this just might be the park you need. West Wind RV Park. As you can hear the interstate, so we're kind of close. Yeah, I'm doing some stuff with my hair, but you're kind of close to a main road, and the interstate is on the other side of it, which is Interstate 8. But a little bit of noise to the front of the park, but if you get a spot to the back of the park, way that way, a lot more quiet. Get that buffer. But look at the sunset here behind me. Well, we can't quite see it. Now it just looks all gray. Oh well, let's see. Ooh, there it is. It's pretty. It is nice. I tell you, it really is. So, if you get a chance to come visit the park, definitely come visit this. Great thing about this park is they've got festivities that go on property that are open to the public. Their bingo's open to the public. When they bring singers in here, they'd be open to the public. They some things that they sell tickets to or not. Super Bowl Sundays they're having here, for example, they're selling 100 tickets, and that's it. They're capping it to only people you get to know somebody or you actually live here in the park. So if you know someone lives in the park, and you could get 4 tickets for yourself and your spouse and of course them that live here. So that would work too, but you can arrange that. If you go, also the great advantage of this park here is if you go out the front gate, you turn to your left, you can almost see Walmart. It's that close to Walmart and restaurants, Wells Fargo, they're right here real close. You go down and take a right, and there's an RV store. It's got all kinds of things RV. So I'd love that store. And you're not far from Ace Hardware and some of those other things up here in the foothills. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like, subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing a park, come check out this one, West Wind Park here in Yuma, Arizona. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. So I'm just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.